So here's a document that shows my theme and why I chose it. So it looks here like it's just all written up. So say you're working with somebody else on a project and you wanted to see who did what and who wrote what. So what you can do is you can go to File and then Version History, and then you can see version history. As you can see, it will show you what time, so people wrote what, and it will show you, it will highlight who made what changes. So you see someone else added this and I wrote this. If you want to add comments, you can go to editing mode or suggesting mode. So if I wanted to make a suggestion, say I want to add a paragraph here, I can go like this and it will say add paragraph. If I wanted to do that, I could click the check mark, but if I didn't agree with that suggestion, I could say reject suggestion. You could also, if you're in editing and wanted to add a comment, you could say apply, and you'll see the comment. You could add a comment. So if you highlight something and then say add comment, you can add a comment to that spot if you had a question about something here.